As a designer, I'd like to take you into this modern minimalist style villa. The living room features a high ceiling and space, paired with a full-length, floor-to-ceiling window, making the natural greenery the most vivid background indoors. The simple furniture layout restores the original transparency and openness of the space. The dining room continues the minimalist logic. The linear chandelier and geometric metal fixtures echo the courtyard outside, creating a sense of relaxation during meals. The bedroom is a peaceful container. The low saturation color scheme, floating design and hidden light strips, combined with a panoramic glass sliding door, bring the terrace view and morning sunlight into the room. The courtyard uses sunken lawn and concrete stepping stones to create a geometric order. The outdoor sofa area blurs the boundary between the building and nature, allowing light and shadow to play in harmony here. In this work, we adopt the subtraction aesthetics, allowing the space to return to its comfortable essence and enabling the building to coexist and integrate with nature. This is the charm of a modern minimalist villa, embracing the poetry of life with purity.